Howdy folks, so here we are here in Oregon. Suppose you remember that last time it was raining. It's like the rain clouds dumped out all the water and left us with a little bit of sunshine. So we decided to come out here to the gravel pit and do a little bit of shooting. And oh, look what we got here. Wait a minute. Got a little bit of target practice. Got that power cord right there. That son of a bitch. And I don't know what that stuff is, but anyway, you don't have to have yourself tenderite like that, but it helps. It certainly does help. So we're loading up some stuff. There's Holly. Hi, Holly. Shotgun shells. It looks like we're loading us up some rounds to get her done. 'Cause this is America, goddammit.
Baby.
Man, that's nice.
All right, you taking first shots at it?
No, you're doing it.
All right, let's do it.
That's America, goddammit! That's the way we run it around here.
I think your shit went kaboom.
All right, let's go check it out. See what I got.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Holy shit! Holy crap!
Oh, wow.
A lot left of
Oh,
it.
look at the brown wire. It's still there.
Yeah, it's about as good as it was.
Oh, got a better part. Look at that piece. Oh, there's where I
That's
started.
factory quality right there.
Yeah, it'll work just as good as it did before.